Well, hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklocksport.co.uk. Just done a video, but thought I'd do another one. So, still in my work suits. This is a video of single pin picking another vintage padlock I have on collection. It's a Yale Junior on there, made in the USA. Don't know if you can see that, my autofocus on the camera is absolutely rubbish. On the back it said solid forged steel. It's a wafer type lock. Lock that up. Using like a flexi type pick from the Clom range, which is actually a favourite on some locks, and a home brewed Southwood Max, which I've taken the tip down quite a bit on there. I'm going to start at the back, work to the front, because you've got to fight to get to the back a little bit over the tension wrench. So tension on, just start picking the wafers there, little bounce every now and again. It's good to go. And there it is. Picked. I don't like picking the older locks too much in case there's any damage done inside. So I just thought I'd do that once for the video. So that's the Yale Junior vintage padlock, single pin picked, and it's going back on display in my cabinet just after this video. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.